Hey, how's it going? I just wanted to make a quick video on how to access the Fatshark DVR, how to start recording, and how to view your videos. So here I have a pair of HD2s. They're currently powered on. Our receiver module is going, and I have this gray fuzzy screen. Alright, so the first step, you have two buttons on the top of your goggles. We'll be messing with this one a lot, the one on the right hand side. And I'm going to say all the directions with respect to how I'm looking at the goggles. So first off, you'd press and hold that right button until the red LED comes on. Press it again, you'll start recording, you'll hear that one tone beep, and then if you want to stop, press the button again, you'll hear that two tones, and that'll let you know that you stopped recording. So what do you want to do when you want to access your DVR, when you want to watch it? Well, there is a switch back here called RX, and you want to flip it to the off position. So give me a second here. Boom. I switched it to the off position, or the 0 position, and then now you can see that the screen is all gray. So to access the DVR menu, what you do is you press and hold that same button up here until the screen changes. Let me move the camera real fast, and you see this. So you can select different items by pressing the joystick towards and away from you, or up and down. That's pretty intuitive. And to select the menu item, you move the joystick to the right. You're not going to press it down, you're going to move the joystick to the right. So that means is I'm going to pull it in that direction. So I just get the camera to focus again. So you pull it and you access the menu. For one moment. And then now you can scroll through your videos. You can see that I have 4 videos here. You can scroll through them using the up and down. And then if you want to play one, once again, you're not going to press play, you're going to move the joystick to the right. And you're going to start playing. So you can also speed up the video by pushing forwards, or if you want to reverse, you can pull back. To exit the video, so this is forward towards the front of the goggles, and back is towards the back of the goggles. So if you want to exit the menu, you'd push the joystick to the left. So push the joysticks to the left, you return back to that menu, and if you push it to the left again, you exit the DVR menu, and everything's black. And to get back in business, to start seeing your drone stuff again, you just pull the switch to the 1 position, your module turns back on, you get that snowy screen, and you're ready to fly again. Alright, thanks for checking this out.